Hello friends, my name is Narendra and welcome to Stata. In this video I will tell you about one of interesting command which is very helpful for you. So first of all, let's import dataset. I am importing a dataset which is already inbuilt in this dataset name is auto. I imported, so this is dataset. Now I'm browsing it. Dataset has been browsed. This is telling me about the make and model. This is the variable section. Here we can see that make variable tells us about make and model, price is about the price, mpg is mileage, rp is repair record of 1978 since 1978, headroom, trunk, weight, line, turn, displacement, gear ratio, and font. So in this video I will tell you about a command, and command name is count. Okay, so let's start with the command without wasting time. So this command tells us with a specific condition that there are how many numbers are there. Okay, so let me think. I want to see that there are how many cars those repairing record since 1978 is greater than 3. Okay, so for this let me type command count. F is the condition. I want to see about the repairing since 78 and all value those are greater than 3. Okay, and I hit enter. So it is saying me that there are 34 car those are having repairing record more than 3 since 1978. Okay, now I want to more specific that what kind of these cars, these are domestic or these are foreign. So what I will do, there is one more thing, by. I am using by, and then variable name, I am clicking on this, I'm not typing this time, and then I am copying this command from here and pasting here. So yes, you can copy and paste as well. Okay, and then I hit enter. So here I entered two conditions. First one is repairing since 1978 is greater than 3. Second one is by type. So there are 15 cars, those are domestic, having repair value more than 3, and there are 19 cars, those are foreign and more than repairing record than 3. Okay, I hope you all understand about the count command. This command is same in the Excel. Okay, if you want to see, like I'm browsing it, like I just browse it. So here are repairing 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4, 5. If you want to check, you can check on the Excel as well. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video I will come with a new command. Have a good day ahead.